Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have been looking at how to build a web interface to display data from a database server like MySQL. And in this we have seen two different ways of doing it. One is using NetBeans and using Swing utilities. Using Swing, we can build a graphical user interface for desktop applications. However, it is more desirable to build a web interface in a general scenario. So let us look into how to better the web interfaces. We have seen in the category of the products, based on which in this video session we shall see how we can further improve the GUI by including an image into the user interface. So let me launch my application. So in this video session we are going to implement a nice graphical user interface that you can see on the screen here. So if I click on get info, it would display the first product and the counter also increments accordingly, and you will see an image of the product is displayed down below. And if I scroll through the products, the image of the product will also change. So from washing machine to mobile phone to Sony audio player, we have been along with the data the image of the product. So this is more desirable in a practical scenario. So let us see how we can achieve all this, starting from the bare minimum interface that we have seen in the previous video. So let us start with a bare minimal graphical user interface where I'm able to display only the data in textual form and there are no images being displayed. So what we need to do to get the image of the product also displayed on the screen is what we shall see today. So let me go to MySQL database, and if you click on admin info in the shopping cart database, we need to store the image URL. So if you look at this table here, there is a product ID, product name, price, category, quantity of product items, the description of the product, and also the image URL. So all the images of the products have to be stored in a particular folder in your application directory. And we have seen in our application developed in our environment, Visual Studio Code, we created one folder by name images. So all these images will be stored there. Modify our code. So let's go and do that. So let me, and another button at the bottom, which is showing the company name. We need to add an image tag here, image, then we can have src, which is initially blank, then we can have with jQuery code. Now here, after displaying the price, we need to access the prod image tag, and here you have to set the attribute database path name. So products results.i.img URL. So I showed you in the MySQL database, there is a column name by name img URL wherein I am storing the path of the images. So if you see the images folder here, you have all the images of all the products. Get info, you will see that the product image shows up. Oh, sorry, it should be width equal to 150 pixel and height equal to 150. So now if I go and see, you will see that prod image is blank initially, and if I get the products, it will start displaying the products the way we want it. If I scan through the data, you will have all the products here. So we could display all the product images along with the data. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.